That is a Baldwin 282. So we're here at Dollywood on the Dollywood Express, I think. But anyway, we're here at the depot.
And now that we are moving, folks back here on the last few cars can wave goodbye to our depot master Russ. He's down there on the left-hand side. You can wave goodbye to these folks out here in the village and tell everybody we're going to see them back here in a day or two, a week at the most. We've never been gone longer than a week. And we'll see you later, Russ. You try to stay cool down here. Dollywood is known to be the friendliest place in the Smokies, except us on the train to keep it that way. So as we roll out of town, on the count of three, a real loud howdy. 1, 2, 3. Howdy! We'll try that again a little bit later on. Just keep waving goodbye to these folks as we leave town. Hope you guys are having a good time here in Dollywood. We'll see you guys later. May of 1938. The Baldwin locomotive works out of Eddystone, Pennsylvania, built our narrow gauge Mikado style engine number 70. She weighs a little over 230,000 pounds. She's a coal-fired, steam-driven Type 282 locomotive. That 282 means the engine has 2 small guide wheels in the front, 2 small guide wheels in the back, and 8 large drive wheels in the middle. After engine number 70 was built, she was shipped up to Skagway, Alaska, where she was commissioned as part of the United States Army. December 7th, 1941 came the attack on Pearl Harbor and U.S. involvement in World War II. After the attack in Hawaii, it was then determined that a military highway would be needed in order to help protect the state of Alaska from an invasion. So in 1942, the United States Army took over the White Pass Yukon Railroad of Skagway, Alaska, and used it to move the material, supplies, and personnel needed to build the Alcan military highway. Over 280,000 tons of supplies and materials, along with thousands of troops and other personnel, traveled behind this engine and others like her. Up to 34 trains a day ran in support of road construction, and in only 9 months, what had seemed impossible became possible, and the Alcan military highway was completed on time. Now, I bet you folks didn't know you were being pulled up this mountain by a true veteran of World War II. We here at Dollywood are proud of all veterans from all branches of the military, and our thoughts and prayers go out to those who are on active duty today. And if we have any veterans on board with us, we thank you all for your service to our country, and God bless each and every one of you. In 1963, engine number 70 was retired. She sat in storage for 14 years until she was sold in 1977 to a small East Tennessee theme park named Silver Dollar City, Tennessee. And it was then that engine number 70 affectionately became known as Cinderella. Now here at Dollywood, we're awfully proud of Cinderella, so much so we like to have her show off every now and then. So would you folks like to hear Engineer Al play a tune on that Baldwin locomotive whistle? On the count of three, real loud and proud, tell that engineer to blow the whistle, and everybody remain seated. 1, 2, 3. Think about that. How about a big round of applause for engineer Al and you did a good job up there. Back here on the back of the train, I got my assistant conductor Daniel riding on the back of car 3. We want to thank you all for riding with us here on the Dollywood Express. We hope you enjoy the rest of your day with us here at Dollywood.